So I just want to let you know, so as you're going, good, you're working the footwork, something about training, I was noticing, it's like sometimes when you want to learn something new, you have to put it into, like say you learn some footwork, and you can obviously see there's a pattern here with my teaching. It's like I teach you a little bit of footwork, and then then what's next? What do I do? Well, I take that and I have you put it into your free play. And then what happens? Well, the free play goes to shit, right? They're like, oh, now I'm not winning. I can't hit them. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to dodge anymore. Cool. This is very normal. And you have to, in order to get the things into your, how you do them, you have to try them out. You got to try it out. Like when I do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, for example, when we do the training, they usually teach a couple techniques in the class, and then you roll. You do some warm-ups, got a couple techniques, then it's rolling time. As far as I can tell, most people, when they roll, they just roll. I do my best. I mean, I'm not saying I do this all the time, but when I roll, I'm like, how can I try to do the technique that I just learned today? Because now I'm trying to put something new into my game. I'm trying to expand my game or expand my training. So same sort of deal. And then what happens for me? I fail, it falls apart, I can't get it, I don't know what to do, I'm lost, it feels awkward, it feels terrible, blah, blah, I get crushed, I get tapped, whatever. Over and over and over and over and over again, which can be frustrating, and I understand that. So then here, same sort of deal. You learn some footwork, good, put it back into the free play. Keep trying stuff out, even if it feels wrong to do so. Because again, the feelings of what's right and what's wrong are what you already have. It's your preset wherever you're at. This doesn't feel right to do. And usually, I have a story about a guy who was learning boxing, actually. And I was teaching him a move. I'm like, okay, step like this, turn like this, reach like this, do this move. And he comes back at me, he's like, but Brendan, it doesn't feel good. And I was like, of course it doesn't feel good. It's like the first time you ever did it. Like, have you ever done anything the first time and it felt good, like right away? Like if you're really trying to get good at something, I've never had that happen. So I'm just sharing for you, for others as well, like when you're training, say we do this, we do some footwork, and now you have an opportunity to put it in your free play. It's useful to let go of the winning and the losing part. I'm not saying just lose, but what I'm definitely saying is don't worry about if you do lose. Like if you're really trying to do the footwork and you're failing and it's terrible, fine. This is good because you're learning. Your body and nervous system are learning through taking shots, making mistakes, and your nervous system will be learning. It's a non-intellectual learning process kind of for your nervous system. It doesn't think its way through. It feels its way through. And so you're stacking up a lot of failure, and you'll start making connections about what works, what doesn't when you're moving your feet around. And so when you're playing, the more you move your feet, in my mind, the better. See, especially if you're trying to add footwork into free play. And so it's just like, go ahead, try it out. Try this, try that. It's like an opportunity for you to try, for you to fail, and then learn. Yeah? Got these ideas? I'm just trying to inspire a little bit, share with others, etc. Cool? Alrighty. Good. So now a little more free play. Go ahead with a partner. Now see if you can double the amount of footwork. Wherever you were at, see if you can do all kinds. And yes, I understand also that if you just barely learned it, you're going to be thinking a lot. How the fuck did I do a number 3? Where do my feet go? You won't know. And you're getting punched, so I understand. It's even worse. But try to focus your mind and figure out where to go and go there just to see what happens. Yeah? And then so double up on your footwork or triple up on it and just start moving all over the place and see. Don't worry too much about dodging, although keep that in the mix there. But do free play a little more. Concentrate on footwork. Cool? All right, great. Go ahead. Thanks.